In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, you need to launch Settings and scroll to tap on Advanced Features available here. Now scroll again, this time to tap on Dual Messenger. And when you're ready, first use this switcher next to Use Separate Contact List to enable or disable it. When it comes to disabling this option, hit OK and use your regular contacts pop-up. Now, to divide your contacts, if you decided to enable this feature, click on it on the left, hit Select Contacts, tap on Add at the top right corner, and tap on the chosen ones. Then select Done. You can always delete them by clicking on Delete here. Now, with this out of the way, let's clone an app. All of your available ones to clone will be listed at the top. To clone one, just click on gray switcher next to it and hit Install. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that my Facebook was successfully cloned. If you wanna delete this clone, you can always go back to the same section in your settings and use blue switcher. Then choose Disable. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!